Hi, we're Art and Bree. 4 years ago, we left the city to buy a 100-year-old farm to turn it into our own productive homestead where we can grow our own food, build a healthy life, and raise our kids just how we like.
We get eggs from our chickens.
We keep a cow who can provide all of our family's milk. We keep pigs for meat.
We keep goats for milk. We got a fridge full of milk. Our freezers are full of healthy food, 4 of them.
We're naming all of our unnamed animals on our homestead today. We have 2 calves that we haven't named yet. We've had them for how long? 3 or 4 weeks now?
Yeah.
And we need to name them, so today we're gonna name them. We're also gonna name all the chickens, all the geese.
No.
And the pigs. So we're naming the calves and the pigs today.
What do you want to name the cows?
I don't know.
What did you say earlier? What do you want to name the cows?
What are your ideas for names for the cows?
Moon pie?
Which one is gonna be Moon Pie?
What?
The girl? What about the boy? What about the steer?
I do not know. I left the calf.
You love the calf?
Yeah.
What do you want to name her? I'm thinking I really like Claire for the girl, and then I think Beef Boy, BB for the steer, because we're going to be eating him next year.
What do you want to name the
I
cows,
like
Grace?
BB.
Spot and Posy.
Spot and Posy?
Yeah.
What about you, Miss Joyful?
I want to name it Blackberry and Spot.
I can't tell you how many times we've gotten this comment on the YouTube channel, you shouldn't name your meat animals. Here's the thing about that. We really are fond of all the animals we've raised for meat, and giving them a name or not giving them a name, I don't think really makes the difference. The difference is that you like them, you take care of them every day, and you do get to know them. So we will continue to give our meat animals names. However, I do like giving meat animals food names just so it's a reminder for the kids especially that, hey.
I think the reminder is for y'all more than anybody. That this is a meat animal.
What, you mean the kids aren't going to forget?
The kids won't forget.
I know, but it doesn't make sense. Yeah, it doesn't make sense to name your steer that you're going to eat Sweetie Pie.
But that's why people want us to do like twin name or like Bonnie and Clyde or something like that. And it's like you can't really do that because
Then Clyde's going to go goodbye, which I guess that could happen if you're driving the country, robbing banks and
Wilder
whatnot.
has an idea.
What's your
What
idea?
was your idea? He finally thought of one.
Lucy?
Yeah.
You said Lucy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like the name Lucy for the baby calf?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you all have given us a bunch of great suggestions in the comments and we've looked at a lot of those. But we have a lot of our own ideas and I think we're going to pick from among those.
Mainly our kids really want to have a voice in this.
That's right. And that's honestly part of why it's taken so long to name them, because there's so many people saying, hey, we should name them this, we should name them that. So we're not going to just bully through and say, here's the name. We could either let one kid pick, which we've done that in the past, like Justice picked the name Brownie for one of the steers, or we could vote.
And when I get my dream cow, I get to name that cow. I already have the name picked out. Her name's going to be Honey.
Hey, she's like, you're naming my baby and I can't be there? She's coming out here to join us.
What do you want to call her?
What do you want to name your calf, Miss Alice? Oh, look. Look. The kid wasted an apple. They're lost your game. Here, come here. It's yummy, huh?
Come over here and put your food. Here's the rules. After the name has been drawn, you can't change it, even if it's Moon Pie, even if you really don't like it.
If her name is Moon Pie, she's going to get a nickname.
I think that's fair, Grace.
Yeah, it is. And because other people can still call her Moon Pie.
Hey, Justice, what are your ideas, buddy? I want to hear your ideas.
What do you want to name the calf? Justice? Moo?
Moo Pie, he said.
Moo Pie.
No! Okay. Alice's idea. Yeah.
Oh, that was Alice's idea. Moo is Alice's idea. Everyone has a name in the hat except for me. I'll tell you why in just a minute. And we're about to draw names for both of our calves. Which
The girl's name is... Are we telling them right now that we're going to go over
we're
there?
going to go out there and tell them their names in the pasture.
The girl's name is... Everyone had a limb. boys go in.
Can I have the gloves?
Ready?
Boy's name.
Is
Salty.
All right, let's go out there and tell everyone the name of the calves. The reason that I didn't get to put names in the hat is because I get to name these guys.
I do get to name one. What name? Oh, you can name Jinda. I'm gonna name one.
You do feed the pigs, so if you want to name one of them, you can name one of them. Make it a good pig name, though. Use your mastermind to come up with a good pig name. I'm naming the little one Twinkie. What do you want to name the other one?
Hey, Twinkie.
That means this one is Twinkie over here. It's the one that's slightly smaller. Do you know what a Twinkie is?
thankfully he does not.
A Twinkie is a really, really sweet thing that's kind of like a donut. So you could name it by another sweet food name.
Yep, I'm gonna name it Big Pig Supper.
Big Pig Supper. So supper for short.
Supper or sucker?
Supper.
Supper. Okay, so we're gonna name him Twinkie and Supper. Supper and dessert.
Oh yeah, I like that.
That's what you get when you let people name pigs, right?
Well, he's
Twinkie
saying
and
because you
supper?
named it Twinkie, that's dessert, so he's gonna name his supper.
Oh yeah, so supper,
You're smart,
Twinkie
kid.
for dessert. Okay, Twinkie and Supper.
Oh yeah, good food. That looks nice and good.
He's wearing it on his head.
Oh no! Maybe we should have let Justice name him a poop name.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
He's wearing a poop hat.
Say
what?
Maybe we should name him Poo Pie instead of Moon Pie. Hey,
the girl calf name is Posy.
which is the name Grace wanted. She stuck that in the hat, and the boy's name is Moon Pie, which I actually think is perfect because he kind of looks like a moon pie, and we eat moon pies and we like them, and it's just a sweet name.
We eat moon pies? I can't say that on our YouTube channel.
Why can't I say we eat moon pies?
We're all organic.
I made a whole video about how we don't eat all organic.
I remember.
So nowadays we do more, but it's because we're growing more of our own food. Don't eat that.
So Posy was your name? Mm-hmm. I like it. Was Moon Pie your name?
Watch out, I don't think it's
Moon Pie. Wow. Poop Pie. And Little Miss Posy.
Hey Alice, what do you think about us naming your babies? Alice, I asked you a question.
Alright guys, thanks for joining us as we name
Nice video, bye-bye.
our calves and our pigs and all the chickens and geese. Actually, we left that part out. It was fun for us. I hope it was fun for you, and we'll see you in a video soon. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.